All right, I was just going to show you how I would go about doing the maze. So I already I created a project. I named it Maze Day One. I deleted the cat sprite, and over here in backdrops, I'm gonna go ahead and paint a maze. So change your fill color to black. I'm gonna. Can I grab it from there? Nope. All right. Well, I'll make it black. Everything's black. That looks pretty black. And then I recommend using the line tool. And I feel like a little thicker is probably better. There's no need to make it super tiny. And one of the requirements is I want you to incorporate a letter from your name in the maze. So I showed you in my PDF that I made a W. So I'll do that again. I'm holding down the shift key while I do this so that it makes straight lines, but I'm going to draw a W. And I'm going to draw some other pieces so that it makes it part of a maze. All right, so there I incorporated a W, and then the rest of the maze, is up to you. However you want to do it. It doesn't have to be too hard, but nor should it be too easy. If it's too easy, it's also not a good maze. And I'm gonna go ahead and make it end down here. I want you to put some text. Make the text not red, not black. So I think I went for some red text, but in my example, so click here and say start. And you can move it. Go back to the pointer and say start there. I'm going to do a copy and a paste. Control C, Control V, and then I'm going to put this over here. Double click, and I can write end. So start end. All right, so that's good. And then you want to make yourself. So anyway, that's the maze is black. I think I recommend 10 size walls, and then use the line tool. And we need your letter, a letter of your name put into the maze somehow, obviously. I mean, in a way that is obvious to someone who is observing. That would be me. All right, then we're labeling the start and the end in a color that is not black. And then we're going to make a sprite. I'm going to choose the hedgehog. And we want to make the sprite small enough to fit through the maze. So I'm going to, okay, size 10, too small. I'm going to make the hedgehog size 25. Probably also technically a little too small, a little too big. But maybe if I go back here and make these spots just, hello, oh, wrong place. I was like, why isn't it, probably lower that just a little bit so that there's room to get through there. I was just noticing it seemed a little tight. All right, and then we want, when you click the green flag, we want your sprite to show up here, so you can say events when the green flag is clicked. Motion, go to the start. And then I said I want you to do the, back to events, up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow, those things. We're gonna go, if the up arrow is pressed, we're gonna change Y by, I think 10 is too much, let's do 3. And if the down, and I'll duplicate this, if the down arrow is pressed, we want to change Y by -3. And then if the right arrow is pressed, we're going to change X, or not set X to change X by 3. And if the left arrow is pressed, we'll do change X by -3. Okay, so now you can see I can move my little dude through the maze. All right, and then one more thing for today. In the sprite for the green flag, we're setting it to go here to this location, and then we're also going to repeat forever and say if it's touching black, then it goes back to the beginning. So you can go, you do a if, then. We'll go to sensing, touching color, and you click here, and we will use the dropper to pick the color, which would be black. All right, if it's touching black, we want to go, I just wanted this part, go back to that thing. So for now, that's all we're doing today. So watch, when I hit the green flag, we start at the beginning, but if I accidentally touch the wall, I go back to the beginning. Sad when you're like really far along and you touch the wall, but let's see if I can go a little farther. Yep. Oh yeah. I'm not gonna make you watch me do the maze. In fact, let's face it, you could stop watching the video. But now I've gone this far, I'm gonna finish it. Go, Mr. Hayes, you can do it. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And I'll just bump the end. Oh, dang. Okay. All right, that's all I needed you to do for today, and we'll finish the maze next time. So turn in a share link so I can see that you did today's work, and have a great day.